In this video, we're going to review how to use the height or elevation tool from the measurement toolbar. Before we do, just want to briefly discuss the difference between the height tool and the distance tool. Because as we saw in the distance video, you can actually get elevations when you select that distance. So just randomly selecting this point and this point, you'll notice that Z, which is the elevation difference, does in fact populate. The difference primarily is that the distance tool gives you all three dimensions that you might want, whereas the height tool only gives you the, height or elevation difference in the point cloud. And the reason why you might want to do that is because that's all you care about for the particular thing that you're measuring. It also helps visualize it just a little bit better, as we'll see here. So this is a point cloud of a project where these beams are staying in place, but the roof deck is being demolished and replaced. And in order to do that, some props need to go in along these beams, and we'd like to know, say, what props we need to acquire to fit in between here. So we need that elevation difference. Well, I can go left click on the measurement drop down, left click on height, and then simply go to any one of these beams, left click, zoom back out, and then put a point onto the slab on grade surface, left click. And you'll notice that now, instead of getting all three dimensions, 3D, X, Y, and Z, you only get one. And this is the height or elevation difference, the Z component. As you can see, the projection here to in this case, it's 4.607 meters. The great thing about this particular tool is that it doesn't have to be directly aligned with D3 because of this projection. So, for example, if we put this point and drag it by left clicking all the way over here, or now I've snapped it back to this particular line, you see it's fairly close to what it was initially, because the projection goes right back to D3, and that projection is in the Z plane. It's slightly different, of course, because the actual elevation of this point over here is different than the points over on this side, but it does give you the ability to be anywhere within a general area and be fairly close. As you can see, I'm doing a circle, and that dimension all the way around is only changing by 0.001 of a meter, which is not significant for what we're doing here.